Hi guys, it's Tara with Gaia Tarot 13, and this is your weekly angel card forecast for July 31st through August 6th, 2016. And I am using my iPad this week, which is the reason for the weird angle and why it looks different than it normally does, because my computer died on me last week. So while I'm getting that fixed, we're going to kind of plow forward, so it's not going to be as pretty and as edited as it normally is with my little white banner and, my fade to white and all those fun little things that I do to kind of make it look a little more clean. So bear with me. Reading's going to be the same, so it's just not going to be as pretty. This week, we are using the Flower Therapy Oracle Card Deck. No, the letters are probably showing up backwards, sorry. Flower Therapy Oracle Card Deck by Doreen Virtue. I'm going to pull 3 cards, one for your work and financial life, one for your love and romantic life, and one for your home and family life. I just need one more here. There we go. Okay, let's get going. For your work and financial life, we have Let Go of Anxiety. The flower is lavender, and the bottom says, calm your nerves and you'll be able to hear the voice of your angels. So, I'm sorry if it's kind of dark there. So this is like, don't get stuck in your head this week. It could be, and we all do this, it could be that you are thinking of a situation or you're worrying about something at work and it's just kind of spinning. It's just kind of spinning around in your head and cycling and getting worse, and you're making it out to be something bigger than maybe it is, which is causing you a lot of that stress and anxiety and worry. So get out of your head this week. Don't worry about it. Everything's going to be exactly how it's supposed to be. So for better or for worse, it's how it is supposed to be. So let go of anxiety, clear your brain, do some meditations, and that will help you hear the guidance that is coming to you. In your love life, we have Wise Soul. I think this is the first time I've gotten this one. The flower is azalea, and the bottom says, your soul carries ancient wisdom. Please embrace it as you have the knowledge to help those around you. So it could be that you are, and again, this is your love life, right? So it could be that you are finding yourself in a situation that you're feeling maybe a little bit heartbroken, or you are exposed to someone, a friend or family member maybe, who is feeling heartbroken and is coming to you for advice. If that's the case, know that you know how to handle it. If it's yourself, if it's someone else, you know the advice to give them. Wise soul, I kind of tie that into like old soul, right? Many lifetimes behind you. You know what you're talking about. You know the ways of the universe. You know how things go and how things are, and that everything kind of happens for a reason. And you might be able to easily articulate that to someone this week if that person is seeking your advice to kind of help work them through their grieving process, or for you to try and keep in mind and remember, or even bring to the forefront of your mind if you're trying to work through something as well, that even if there's an outcome that you didn't expect or don't want, that everything happens for a reason, and you know that, and that's going to help you work through some things this week, or help you help someone else work through things this week. In your home and family life, we have Smile, Sunflower. Simply smile and notice the profound and healing difference it makes. This is such good advice, and I really wish that the color on there showed up as bright as it is in the card, because it's so lively and festive and happy. And I think that when I saw it, the very first thing I did was smile. Smiling is so important because energy and moods are contagious. And so when you smile at someone, you're imparting a little bit of that good energy onto someone else, and you're kind of brightening their day. And even if they don't necessarily take it that way, or even if they're like, super bogged down and in that lower frequency, and they're like, why are you smiling at me? Like, even if they're like that, just do it anyway. Because it's gonna help them. If we all just join in that happy energy and we're all just giving good energy, it's going to grow and it's going to spread, and eventually that person who is in that kind of mood is going to start smiling at other people too. So this is a way to essentially just spread wonderful happy energy, higher frequency energy, just spreading the love. Just spreading the love and spreading the happiness by going around and smiling no matter what you're doing. You know, smile if you're sad. I know it's hard, but there's always something. There's always a silver lining, right? Smile if you're sad, smile if you're grumpy, smile at other people, smile at people you don't know, smile at people you do know. Just smile. Just smile, because there's really no reason not to. That's what we've got. That's what we've got for this week, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube page. If you want to get a personal reading with me, the only way to do so is through my website, which is GaiaTarot13.com. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr, where I pull a card every day, reading the energy of that specific day. It's not always from this deck. It could be from any of my other angel card decks, but you'll get one every day. So, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully next week we'll be back in normal format. Till then, have a great week.